do is we're gonna use the bike to try to straighten that frame out. Hopefully this works, and let's see what happens. That didn't work.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we're gonna try to pull that frame out with the bike because we don't have a car to pull it out with, so we're about to send it. So here, do up a little pan around it. Look at this setup, guys. Hopefully that works. I already got most of it pulled out, but ready?
Hold on.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we have no grip on the grass, so we're gonna have to move this to the asphalt, but it's kind of working. Look, we're just slipping right here. See that? We're just slipping, so we're gonna have to move it down where we get more grip. But it's kind of working, it's pulling it, so. It's not working. Yes, it is. Alright, let's move this to the street. Alright guys, so we're gonna try to pull the frame out with the metal pieces out with the bike. Let's go. Alright, ready? See if this works. Hopefully this works. Stand back.
I know, keep going. Is that it? Rope?
Alright guys, so we got that piece moved. Now I moved the cable. We're gonna try to straighten that out. Let's see if that works. That one, guys, look, we literally almost got it to where it like was originally. Look at that. Boom. All right, so as you guys can see, I have the car jacked up. I'm gonna take this wheel off, and then I'm gonna try to, you see that like this piece right here is all crumpled in. I'm gonna just try to like with a rubber mallet hammer it out and try to fix that right there. But we're gonna take this wheel off. Actually, we're gonna take it off right now. Look at that. And that's the wheel, and then yeah, all we really got to do is just hammer out this sheet metal right here, and hopefully it looks a lot better. So let's go grab a rubber mallet and let's do it. All right, so as you guys can see, I was trying to use the rubber mallet at first, but it wasn't really doing anything and straighten this out. So I'm literally using the jack handle and the jack, and I'm just kind of like using hydraulic pressure to straighten that out. And as you can see right here, it's actually working. Like, look at that. Yeah, but we're gonna keep doing that. I'm just gonna keep putting that at different points and pushing that out. And yeah, all right guys, so my buddy with the Nissan is helping me pull the rest of the frame out right now. All right, slowly start going. All right, wait for the car, yeah. I don't know what they're doing. Here, go around. All right, just slowly start going. Yeah, I'm filming. Yeah, go. Keep going. Stop, 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 stop. All right. Look at that, it came out. We're good.